Hello. I ran into a big problem with my transcripts. So I'm doing transcripts for a website and there's just a lot of text and I have to copy and paste that text in here and then I have to wrap it around with peas. So I'm going to show you the solution and then I'll show you how I came about fixing it. So let me grab a new one that I haven't done yet. Pretty sure I've done this one. So I have to insert the transcript here. So when I do that, I gotta grab off the website that I'm working on, redoing, and it's this lady, yeah. This lady has lots, and this whole transcript, right? So I have to copy this whole thing, minimize that, and then paste it in here. The problem with that is there's no P's around it. So when I launch my website, and I think you've probably been through this too, I go to the mock website, to her, 1 second, and I'll bring it up for you, show you what it looks like. So it's right here, right? This is ridiculous. Nobody can read this. So we're going to undo that because we don't want that. And I don't want to go through here and put P's around every single one of these. That's just going to be miserable. So undo that. So I made this where I could just delete that out, paste it in. You want to space up here because it goes by spaces. And then run this Python script here. And then it will copy and paste it to a new transcript right here. Boom. I can copy that whole thing. Make sure it's correct. Oh, yeah. It's code, but whatever. That's not hard, right? So copy that, delete that. That P shouldn't be there, but Control Alt, copy. Go to my transcript, paste it in, save it. Where am I damn? I got way too much stuff on. Okay, go to my localhost 3000. Go to her. Go to transcripts. There. You can style and work with that, right? So let me show you how I did that. All right. So this is a little Python script. You can copy this code, and then you want to also add 2 text files. The one that you can paste everything in. Right, so you can just go Control Alt, delete that, paste it in, and the other text file that's gonna write it for you. Call new. Actually, don't know what that's for. All right, delete that one. Don't know how that got there. Then you want a new transcript text file. You call these whatever you want. So obviously, you just can right-click. You can add the file here, but make sure that they don't drop in. So even if I say test.txt, right? You don't want that there. You want it on the outside. So test should be always on the outside. I don't know where the hell that thing even went. Must did that for me. Anyway, so keep it on the same level as your dog research or your main folder. Don't need to nest it. So go ahead and make yourself a Python file, and one you're going to paste your text in, right? Your transcripts in, and then the other one that's going to shoot it out. And don't worry about deleting it out of here. The code will do it for you. And then you just need to write this code into the transcript. So this is the new file. So you want to write it to file name equals transcript txt file. This is going to open the file, and this R plus means you can read and write it to it in Python. I'm not a big coder, so if somebody else has a better way of doing this, by all means. I'm kind of new at this. I found out you need to format to a UTF-8 if you're going to copy off a website. because I ran into a problem there. The new file, same thing, but you want, I think A means, probably only have to read it, but go ahead and leave that there, it's working. Lines, so this is going to read each of your line, then you're going to loop through each of your line. Then it's going to say if line equals a new line or equals a blank line. You're going to strip that line, and then you're going to replace it with your P's, your paragraphs, and then you're going to write to that line. If it doesn't equal that, you're just going to write the line, right? So you want the text. And then save that, and then it works, right? So I'll do it again. So new text file. Go grab my big obnoxious Word document so you can, let's go, my dog research exposed, right? Website, or wherever you're getting your text. Let me do this one. Haven't done it yet. So yeah, that's the text. That's the big nasty transcript, right? Just copy it. Close that. Don't need that no more. Don't need that no more. So I have a copy. Paste it in. Make sure there's space on the bottom. Make sure there's a space on top. Save it. Run Python code. Just run here. Done. Grab your new transcript. And it's done. This has saved me incredible amount of time because I have so many episodes to do. I didn't want to. And then, whatever. I have this is actually a Copilot by GitHub. Makes decisions. Doesn't always work. It's a pretty new API programming thing. Worth checking out though. Then you copy that. And I forget which one that was. That was, I think, episode 2. Well, I guess it's the only one I haven't done. Yeah, episode 2. Episode 2. Here's my transcript. Paste it in. Then I always say Shift-Alt-F. That auto formats. Just a quick key. And then done. And just to prove it's done, we'll go back to the website, localhost, wherever the heck I put it. Rocking like multiple screens here. So go to localhost. Localhost 3000, and it's this one. And then my transcript. Obviously I haven't done any styling on it. I'm just working on the markup right now, but there you go. It's all wrapped in nice paragraphs for you. Take me forever to accomplish this. That's it.